Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to customize your YouTube TV live guide. So let's get started. So now here we are in YouTube TV, and then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on our profile on the top right of our screen, just like so, and then you wanna click on settings. And then from here, you would want to wait for this to load. And now, once you are in settings, all you have to do is click on Live Guide right here on the left side of your screen. And then from here, you can see your top channels and all the channels right here on your Live Guide. And from here, we can customize this. So to customize this, all you have to do is go into all channels and find the channels that you would like to have in your top channels or the channels that you don't want to miss. So for example, I would want T2. So what I'm gonna do in order for this to become a top channel is we're gonna click on this button, on the up arrow button, and now it would be put here in the top channels right here. So now we can see T2 at the bottom, and then from here in our top channels, we can also arrange this in the order of whatever we want right here. For example, I don't want to miss T2 the most, or this would be my number one favorite channel, then I can put it on the top right here, because the sequencing of your top channels would also matter, and you would be able to know why later on. And also right here in the all channels, if you want to hide some networks, so for example, I don't want to hear or see anything from ACC network, then I can click on this icon, the hide icon, and then it would be like this. It will now be hidden. And also you can also rearrange here on the all channels, the same in the top channels. So now that we have successfully customized our live guide, then now we can go back into YouTube TV homepage. Alright, so now once you are in the home page, right here, you want to make sure that you are currently in the live section. So you want to click on live, and then from here, you can see your customized live guide right here. But if you can see it, then you can click here on the sort and make sure that it's currently on custom. So you want to click on custom and make sure it's custom right here. And then as you can see, our live guide right here, and we have our T2 as our number one channel right here on the first recommended channel right here in our live guide. So yeah, this is basically how you can customize your live guide in YouTube TV.